Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today I'm going to talk about a very important and sensitive topic, the smoking. Did you know that nearly 7,000 dangerous chemicals are released every time you light a cigarette? There are around 3 billion smokers across the world. Just 20 minutes after quitting, your heart rate and blood pressure return to normal. 2 hours after quitting, nicotine cravings kick in, causing mood swings, fatigue, and sleep disturbances. After 8 hours, carbon monoxide levels in your body begin to drop, and oxygen levels start to normalize. But long-term exposure to carbon monoxide can enlarge red blood cells, thicken the blood, and increase blood pressure and clotting risks. Surprisingly, after 24 hours, coughing may increase, a natural way your body clears toxins from the lungs. Within 48 hours, nicotine completely exits the body, and your sense of taste and smell begin to improve. At 72 hours, nicotine withdrawal peaks with headaches, nausea, stomach cramps, and emotional symptoms like anxiety or depression. Between 3 to 9 months, your lungs begin to heal, and breathing becomes easier with reduced coughing. After 1 year, your risk of heart disease is cut in half, a big achievement. After 10 years, your risk of lung cancer is half that of a smoker. And in 15 years, the risk of heart attack equals someone who never smoked. However, some damage may be permanent, especially to the lungs, increasing long-term health risks. Quitting smoking is tough, but the benefits far outweigh the initial struggle. A healthier life awaits you. If you need more motivation, check out our video for our Dear Lazy People. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thank you.